Hello everyone. Today I have the pleasure of presenting to you a turbo extractor from the renowned American brand JBT. As you already know, at Tomás Guillén we have the largest stock of machinery for the food industry. In the case of turbo extractors, we have the best brands on the market, including Mancini, Rossicatelli, Bertocchi, FBR, Zacme, among others. To adapt to your specific needs, we offer various production capacities ranging from 5 to 150 tons per hour. Additionally, we offer various different types of extraction, both hot brick and cold brick, to meet all your processing demands. Today we are going to delve into the JBT 3293 model. This machine is designed for the extraction and refining of fruit or vegetable juices and purees. Among its standout features is its high production capacity of 100 tons per hour, ideal for large volumes of processing. We have an adjustable rotor here, specifically designed to ensure optimal extraction. This feature allows for precise control and fine-tuning, making sure that the extraction process is always at its best performance. An automatic cleaning system that reduces potential machine downtime, thereby improving operational efficiency. Versatility in the process is another of its advantages, as it can operate with inert gas or even with steam, which broadens its possibilities for use in different industrial processes. Do not hesitate to request your quote without obligation. Our sales team will be happy to assist you and help you find the solution that best suits your needs. Best regards,